Anong gagawin?
Ay, Friday.
May seminar kayo?
Seminar.
Hindi natin yan doon.
150 patients lang eh.
Anong gagawin?
We will offer free medical consultation and tooth extraction procedure during this day. We only have limited slots of 150 patients for tooth extraction, and they will receive notification that will serve as the school pass. The tooth extraction procedure will be provided if the student will be accompanied by parent or guardian.
Wala ka naman bubunutin, di ba? Hindi bubunutin. Ano yung isa?
During this event, there will be mascots to entertain by showing their talents like dance.
Ano?
Mga mascots lang pupunta.
Yes,
Ano yung procedure niya?
Wala ama, wala.